Hi everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will actually learn about how to use the Capcut templates in TikTok. Okay, so before that you have to install the two apps. The first one is obviously the TikTok and the second one is you also need to install the Capcut on your mobile. Okay, so first of all we would go into the TikTok app and we would actually click on the search bar which is at the top right side. Okay, so now in the search bar you will actually search for the Capcut templates. Okay, so let's just tap on that. I have already searched that. Alright, so now let's just pick any video with the Capcut template, and now you will be able to see a text, try this template. You just have to tap on that. Alright, and now it will come up with the new screen with the button use this template in Capcut. You just have to tap on that as well, and it would jump to the Capcut app with this template. So now we are actually into the Capcut app. Okay, so in the Capcut ad you will actually get this screen and you will have this button at the bottom, use template. So you just have to tap on that again. Okay, so now what we need to do, you just have to pick some clips from here. Okay, alright, so now you can actually see here that we use the Capcut template from the TikTok. Okay, so you can export this and use it on your TikTok as well. And this is it for this video, and in this video we actually learned how to use Capcut template in TikTok. Thanks for watching.